To reserve a seat at the SDCC Library, click the Book a Seat button. Select the type of space you want to reserve from the categories available. Please note that while you're picking the type of space you want, you might not get that specific space. The library staff will show you to your space upon arrival. Next, pick an available time for the space. You may need to use the slider to see the available times. I need to click Next Available for Tuesday, and then move the slider over to see the times between 10 and 2 when we're open. Reservations can be made anywhere from 15 minutes to 2 hours, with the default as 30 minutes. So if I clicked noon for Study Cubby 1, it automatically puts 30 minutes here with padding on either side for cleaning. You can also adjust the time that you want to leave here with the drop down. So I can leave at 1:30. If you want to reject what you've just put in here, you can click the little garbage can and it goes away. Click the Submit Times button. Read the terms and conditions for the library and click the Continue button. Fill out the form with your name, email address, and student ID number. And there's an optional space here for any details or questions about your booking that you want to let the staff know about. Click Submit My Booking. This is what you will receive when your booking has been submitted. This is not an approval. You will get a copy of this in your email. You'll get another email when your reservation request is approved with instructions for coming to the library.